Hope International Cigarette. Taste of magic. Magic.
Got to believe
In magic. Tell me how people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. From strangers to friends.
Muling pinatunayan ni Heart Evangelista kung bakit siya itinuturing na isa sa pinakamalalakas na presensya sa international fashion scene. Sa isang behind-the-scenes video na ibinahagi niya mula sa Milan Fashion Week 2026, masisilayan ang mga hindi palaging nakikita ng publiko, ang totoong eksena sa likod ng mga glamorous na photos at runway moments. Sa video, kitang-kita kung paano dagsain si Heart ng mga fashion photographers at street-style shooters na sabik makuhanan siya ng litrato. Isa-isang tumatawag ng kanyang pangalan habang game naman si Heart sa pagpopose, professional, composed, at effortless pa rin ang dating. Hindi rin mawawala ang mga fans na tuwang-tuwa at nag-aabang ng chance para makapagpa-picture kasama siya. Ipinakita rin ng video ang mas personal na side ng Fashion Week journey ni Heart. Mula sa paghahanda, quick moments of pause, hanggang sa pakikipag-interact niya sa mga taong humahanga sa kanya. Makikita rito na hindi lang siya basta fashion icon. Marunong siyang makisama, magbigay oras, at magpasalamat sa suporta ng mga taong sumusubaybay sa kanya.
That's crazy.
Malaki siya
sorry.
May nakasaksak dun sa brain cell ko. Meron talaga siyang hinanakit sa akin from the wet look. What were you gonna say?
Take delight in the Lord, and He will give you
The desires
your
of your
heart's
heart.
desire.
Yes, delight in the Lord, He will give you your heart's desires. That's my
Amen.
favorite quote. Right!
Yes, can you walk to us? Okay.
Je n'ai pas parlé en français, hein? Sa akin na daw.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the cottage.
To the cottage.
Take me to the cottage.
Lipstick subsidy. So, una muna, ito lipstick lang.
Picture?
Picture then here.
It's a different post or slide?
Different post na.
Different posting?
Different post. Tapos na yung kanina. First layout done.
Ah, okay.
Second layout na to.
Tanga.
Alin?
Tanga?
Hindi. Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. Okay, so we can do that another time because
Pag naka-glam look na. So, gusto mo lang itabit ng dental.
may papakita ko sa'yo. Totoo to. Ito. Huwag mo ikakat yan. Dire-diretso. Sorry. Huwag mo ikakat yan. Dire-diretso tayo kasi para alam nila. Totoo talaga. Look at the products. We've got Kotex. And we've got My Perfect Smile. It's really, really good. Fairness. Especially, in fairness naman talaga. Because, yes, I know the top part is, you know what I mean, but the bottom part isn't. So I need it to be the same shade of white. Let your heart shine, Kendall! Woo! We're here for the heart! Kaya siya pinagpala dahil
Kendall fan. Kendall fan girl.
Kendall na ako. Tapos na yung sufferings ko sa this life.
I'll try.
Sarap siya. Listen to the world. I'm so proud. It's so nice. Thank you for coming. I was scared. Bye. Haven't said anything much. Wait, Anthony, sa'yo na lang because you keep coming.
Oh, thank you po.
Kinis, laksal.
Nag-order na po ako kay Papa. Nasa Pilipinas siya.
Ay,
Bumili
naka-order
pa ako ng
ka
cups.
pa.
Wow.
Ay, ba na? Ibang lugar.
Action.
May sound effects.
Attenzione, attenzione. Back here. This way, this way, this way. This way, please, this way.
Importante performing well tayo. Right? Aren't we? Saan na yung jacket ko? Naimpake ba? Nipple tape? Oo. Wala!
Wait lang.
Hindi na ako mag-ano because baka in case.
For the ano na to?
For
Todo
the
na,
holidays.
yes.
What is the code for today, Sir JR?
You need only to be still.
Lagi sinasabi sa akin.
yes.
Amen.
We just need to be still, but not
Very
really.
good.
Tsaka, ikot-ikot din.
Amen.
Cue song. Never gonna give you up.
Minsan
Never
pa
gonna
kaya.
don't stop. Believe it. Hold on to the feeling. Lights, lights.
Light of my life.
Okay, okay.
Me hope.
Ako meron ako. Okay, okay. Hope International Cigarette. Magic.
Got to believe.
And magic. Tell me how do people find each other
In a world that's full of strangers.
from strangers to friends, friends into lovers, to strangers again. Ha, parang hirap na ng again. Again. Hindi ko lang lyrics. Ayun, again. Again. Mind. On my mind, you're tattooed. Yes, I know you're tattooed. Tattooed.
Tattooed
Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. You are the one who
happy. Cause I'm happy going on. Running up just down the roof.
The roof. The roof is on fire. Para da lida, 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 para da lida. Para me.
Me. Loves you. Just I'm gonna tell you one time. Time after time. I will catch you and I will be waiting. Time after time. I've been time watching trains go by.
Bye.
Never to become one. I need some love I can never live in love before. Let me make love to you, baby. Baby.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
Ang taas. Asa na sila? Hindi sila nagpapatalo. Wala.
Studio picking.
They are competing.
To the max. Energized.
How are you?
So small, but you can. 1, 2, 3. Hey! The bun, it's either you look like you're going to have a recital or like a madam,
A folk dance.
or you're super cool and chic and it was effortless, but it's so much effort. Wala akong sinabi. Alam ko na ba pressure na siya. Kasi si Andre nga di makahirit eh. Uy, wala akong ginawa din. That's you. That's you and your... Ramdam na ramdam ko siya. Mag-smile ka lala. Smile. Be kind. It's harder than not being kind. To be kind, but it should also come naturally.
Ganda na tayo.
nag-hair ko pa nagtahi.
Pangalan mo?
So ano pang ano ikaw?
Gumagana na! Gusto mo ba? Sino mo nang pinagpawisan sa buhok kanina? Ay, mas maganda ka. What is it in my lonely other side? What is it in my lonely other side? Nag-walling na.
Okay. One more. Okay. Beautiful.
There you go! Yeah!
Put your shoulder now. Perfect. Thank you.
Moment!
Thank you. He was the first one that helped me with even the fork and spoon. That was him.
Okay.
So I said,
And the reason why I wanted to fit, because the last time he's like, you don't fit with me anymore. So I was like, okay, I'll fit this time.
Okay.
He wasn't here, and then I saw him at the end. Just was like, Amore, I was like, I went fitting because I was looking for you. I know. He's like, I haven't seen you in a long time. I was like, they told me you've already finished. You too fast. And he's like, Amore, that dress is for you. You don't give it back. It's my gift. But the bag, you give everything back. Just keep the dress. It's so cute. I miss you. I love you.
May memories na. May memories na tuloy lalo.
Ba?
Smile.
Oh, smile. Though your heart is not aching. Shut.
Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile.
Wow.
Thank you.
Your hair.
I like the black cross. Okay. Give it to me, baby.
Guys, stop.
Parang kailangan ng shoulder. Okay, just
Okay, next one.
God bless! I'll see you in Paris, everybody. Hindi pa ako mahimatay, pero kakayanin. Kulang sa sugar. Okay, picture tayo ng jewelry.
Ready?
Bye!
Para sa marami, ang behind the scenes na ito ay patunay kung gaano kalaki ang respeto at pagmamahal na natatanggap ni Heart Evangelista sa global fashion community. Hindi lang dahil sa suot niya, kundi dahil sa kanyang presence, professionalism, at natural na karisma. Sa bawat hakbang niya sa Milan, dala niya hindi lang ang kanyang pangalan, kundi ang Pinoy pride na patuloy na kinikilala sa buong mundo.